Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and search for multiple airports like multi-city tours. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for Skyscanner. So let me just go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, all you need to do is on this button right over here where there is one-way return and there's going to be a third option called multi-city. Simply go ahead and click on that. So for example, as you can see, if you're heading from Kathmandu to Sydney and on this day, then you can head from Sydney to, for example, let's say I want to head to Dubai, right? And I can simply go ahead and select the date as well and just confirm it. Now all I need to do is just simply click on search and it'll show me all of these flights available to head to Kathmandu to Sydney and Sydney to Dubai. So that is about it. As you can see, you can look at these deals and just select any one that you prefer and just go ahead and book it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.